Samsung has launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under F-series in India called Galaxy F70 Pro. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Galaxy F70 Pro 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F70 Pro 5G sports a vertically aligned triple-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with One UI 8.5 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 6 major Android upgrades. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.4 by 78.2 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F70 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 27,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 32,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 8th in Alpha Black and Aura Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F70 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.